For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Farmers in Amritsar and several parts of Punjab have yet again started burning stubble. Farmers allege that they were promised compensation from the government but were not given any compensation last year. This time, farmers are demanding 6,000 rupees per acre to not burn paddy residue.
ਪਿਛਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਫਾਰਮ ਭਰ ਕੇ ਦਿੱਤੇ ਸੀ, ਕੈਪਟਨ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ 2500 ਰੁਪਇਆ ਦੇਵਾਂਗੇ, ਪਰ 2500 ਰੁਪਇਆ ਵੀ ਦੇਣ ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ 1 ਰੁਪਇਆ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ। ਸਾਡੇ ਉਲਟੇ ਸਗੋਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਲੱਗੇ ਫਾਰਮ ਭਰਨ ਤੇ ਜਮ੍ਹਾਂ ਕਰਵਾਏ, 1 ਵੀ ਰੁਪਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਮਿਲਿਆ। ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਵਾਰ ਵੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸਾਡੀ ਮਜਬੂਰੀ ਬਣ ਗਈ ਵੀ ਸਾਡੀ 1509 ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮੰਡੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਰੋਲ ਰਹੀ ਆ।
Mohali district administration has said that farmers burning stubble without a super straw management system will be slapped with a fine of 50,000 rupees and face criminal proceedings. Fines of 50,000 rupees will be charged for a first time violation, 75,000 rupees for the second violation and 1 lakh rupees the third time, along with criminal proceedings. Mohali's Deputy Commissioner Girish Dayalan said that the awareness drive to prevent stubble burning is continuing. The district administration is working hard to prevent stubble burning. An awareness drive on the issue is continuing. Despite repeated warnings, punitive action will be taken against those who violate the directions of the state government. Meanwhile, Union Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change Prakash Javadekar has called a meeting with environmental ministers of 5 states on October 1st to tackle stubble burning.
परसों वीरवार को 1 अक्टूबर को होगी, यह वर्चुअल होगी। इस बार पंजाब, हरियाणा, दिल्ली, राजस्थान, उत्तर प्रदेश के पर्यावरण मंत्री, पर्यावरण सचिव, पोल्यूशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड के अध्यक्ष, संबंधित अन्य अधिकारी, उनके भी प्रमुख इस मीटिंग में हाजिर होंगे।
Javadekar also said that they will review how state governments have implemented plans to prevent stubble burning.
हम पहले सभी एजेंसीज को एक शॉर्ट टर्म प्लान, एक मीडियम टर्म प्लान और लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान बनाने का 2016 में ही शुरुआत की है। उस प्लान के मुताबिक क्या क्या काम हुआ उसका रिव्यू किया जाएगा।
A petition has been filed in the Supreme Court by 2 environmental activists seeking a total ban on stubble burning. The petition claims that any increase in air pollution levels in the Delhi NCR region would increase the COVID-19 mortality rate. A 3-judge bench headed by Chief Justice of India S.A. Bobde has listed the petition for hearing on October 6th. Reportedly, Delhi's air quality has begun to deteriorate after satellite images began spotting farm fires in Punjab earlier this week. Farmers set their crop residue on fire to quickly clear off their fields after harvesting and before cultivating wheat and potato. It is one of the main reasons for the alarming spike in pollution levels in Delhi NCR during the winter season. For the past several years, despite a ban on stubble burning in Punjab and Haryana, farmers continue to burn stubble as there is a short gap between the harvesting of paddy and sowing of wheat.